Hi friends, I am Shajal Bhattacharya. Today I discuss some important vocabulary words. I think this vocabulary words is very important for everyone. Please write down these vocabulary words in your notebook as soon as possible. Now I will explain it as soon as possible. At first, I will explain it clearly in English. Then I will explain it clearly in Bengali. By the way, whatever the circumstance, I will try my best to teach you. Now let's go. বিশ্বাসঘাতকতা, betrayal, betrayal, বিশ্বাসঘাতক, betrayer, betrayer. You another word only use traitor, বিশ্বাসঘাতক, traitor. অসভ্য, uncivilized, অসভ্য, uncivilized. প্রতারক, deceiver, প্রতারক, deceiver. ভণ্ড, ভণ্ড, hypocrite, ভণ্ড, hypocrite. ধান্দাবাজ, scammer, ধান্দাবাজ, scammer. অপদার্থ, worthless, অপদার্থ, worthless. বদমাশ, রোগ, বদমাশ, রোগ. This is the very important vocabulary. Very important for everyone. Keep this important point in your mind. Okay, what I say, please, you understand. I think this video is only my YouTube channel video, but I share my Facebook profile. Okay, see you again very soon. আবার শীঘ্র দেখা হবে। বাই, টাটা, সবাই ভালো থাকবে। ওকে।